Welcome to Compare to Win. The best RV table leg base is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for enhancing your mobile living experience, transforming a simple surface into a stable and versatile dining, working, or lounging area within the compact confines of your recreational vehicle. This seemingly minor addition can significantly impact the functionality and comfort of your RV's interior, providing a secure foundation for your table that withstands the rigors of travel and everyday use, ensuring that your meals are enjoyed without interruption and your workspace remains steady, no matter where your adventures take you across the open road. Number 5. AP Products 131112 Flush Table Base Round. Discover the AP Products 131112 Flush Table Base, a versatile accessory designed for universal fit. Experience quality craftsmanship from the United States. This auto accessory is engineered for a universal fit, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. It's proudly made in the United States, reflecting a commitment to quality. The package dimensions are carefully considered for efficient shipping and handling. Measuring 5.08 cm L x 15.24 cm W x 20.32 cm H, it arrives ready for use. Despite its convenient size, this product boasts a substantial package weight of 13.09 pounds. This indicates a durable and robust construction, built to last. Designed for ease of use, this table base offers a flush mounting solution. Enjoy its reliable performance and seamless integration into your setup. What we like. This option offers a universal fit, making it incredibly versatile for various RV setups. Its easy installation means you'll be enjoying your new table in no time. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss solution that works with almost anything, this is the one for you. What people say. The table leg base is sturdy and well-made, providing excellent stability for the table. The design of the table leg base is sleek and modern, complementing the RV's interior decor. Installation was straightforward, and the base securely attaches to the floor, ensuring no wobbling during travel. Number 4. ITC Silver Sequoia 3 Table Leg System, 27. Introducing the Silver Sequoia 3 Table Leg System, the preferred choice for marine and RV manufacturers. Its patented twist-lock collar ensures a super secure connection, eliminating wobble for enhanced stability. This updated version of a classic features advanced design elements. It's engineered with additional inner structural components to transfer load directly to the floor base, significantly reducing wobble. Installation is straightforward. Attach the table base to your tabletop and the floor base to your surface using the provided screws. It's designed for a secure and stable fit. Perfect for RVs, boats, pontoons, decks, or docks. Create a stable surface for dining, grilling, or entertaining wherever you need it. Constructed with corrosion-resistant aluminum, this system is tested in harsh environments. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come, even in saltwater conditions. While the table and screws for the table base are not included, the system comes with a table leg and floor base. Consider our full table systems for a complete solution. What we like. Experience superior stability with its patented twist-lock system, designed to virtually eliminate wobble. Built with corrosion-resistant parts, it's perfect for harsh environments like marine or RV use. If you demand the most secure and stable table setup, especially in challenging conditions, this is your best bet. What people say. The table leg base is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable foundation for the table. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the RV interior. Installation was straightforward, and the base securely attaches to the floor. Number 3. Manufacturers select ITC RV Table Leg System. Discover the Manufacturers Select ITC RV Table Leg System, a patented and economical solution for your RV or outdoor space. This system provides a stable and convenient surface for various activities. Installation is straightforward. Simply attach the bases to your table and floor, slide the legs in, and secure them. We provide screws for the floor bases, but you'll need to supply your own for the tabletops to ensure a perfect fit. Perfect for RV dinettes, campers, decks, or docks. Use it as a companion surface for grilling or as a bar for outdoor entertaining. It's designed for stability and convenience wherever you need it. Each set includes 2 steel legs with protective end caps and 2 interchangeable powder-coated aluminum alloy bases. These bases are designed for surface mounting and offer a secure fit. Please note that the bases are designed for surface mounting. If you have a recessed hole, choose our recessed leg option. For optimal stability, only use components from the ITC leg system. This system offers a complete and reliable table solution. It's engineered to provide a stable support, enhancing your RV or outdoor living experience. What we like. This offers ITC's most economical patented table solution, providing great value. The interchangeable bases simplify installation and versatility. If you need a cost-effective yet reliable system for larger tables or multiple applications, this 2-set package is an excellent choice. What people say. The table leg base is sturdy and well-made. It was easy to install and feels very secure. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with our RV's interior. Number 2. RULLINE Adjustable Table Pedestal Mount Kit. This adjustable table pedestal is designed to fit seamlessly into your boat, yacht, RV, motorhome, or caravan. Enjoy a stable and adaptable table solution wherever your adventures take you. We've upgraded the base diameter for increased stability and used a durable aluminum alloy connection, ensuring it's built to last. Say goodbye to cracking and enjoy a more robust support. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this table leg offers excellent rust and corrosion resistance. Its sturdy design has undergone rigorous testing for long-lasting performance and reliability. Featuring a thoughtful safety stop device, disassembly is a breeze without over-tightening. This humanized design ensures convenience and ease of use for everyone. Easily adjust the height to suit your specific needs and working environment. Its simple installation and disassembly make it an incredibly practical choice for various spaces. Whether in a studio, kitchen, or cab, this versatile table leg provides a convenient and adaptable solution. Its ease of installation and adjustable features make it an ideal addition. What we like. Enjoy customizable comfort with its adjustable height feature, adapting to your specific needs. Constructed from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it ensures long-lasting durability. If you value flexibility and a sturdy build for various settings like studios or kitchens, this pedestal mount is ideal. What people say. The table leg base is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable foundation for the table. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the overall aesthetic of the RV. Installation was straightforward, and the base securely attaches to the floor. Number 1. AP Products 131119 Standard Table Base. Introducing the AP Products 131119 Standard Table Base. This surface-mounted pedestal base is designed for durability and ease of installation. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it offers robust support for your table. The chrome plating adds a sleek finish and extra protection. Installation is straightforward thanks to its surface-mounted design. It's ready to be secured wherever you need it. Featuring 6 pre-drilled mounting holes, this base ensures a stable and secure attachment. You can rely on its steadfast support. This table base is a versatile and reliable choice for various applications. Its sturdy construction guarantees long-lasting performance. What we like. This is a classic, reliable surface-mounted pedestal base made from durable aluminum. Its chrome plating adds a touch of style to your RV or boat. If you prefer a simple, sturdy, and aesthetically pleasing option for a permanent table installation, this base is a solid choice. What people say. The table leg base is sturdy and well-made. It was easy to install and feels very secure. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my RV's interior. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.